Today we are playing Walt Disney's Adventureland game, which dates back to the 1950s. The aim of the game is to travel around the board and take photographs of all the animals pictured on the board. In order to do that, we travel in these sightseeing boats. Let's take the first turn by spinning the spinner to determine how far we go. 5 spaces. The boat leaves the sightseeing dock and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've landed on a photo space, which means I take one of these photo cards and see if it matches up to the cards down here. It doesn't. So, however, if I were this player over here, I would be able to match this up. Now I have taken a photo of the alligator. Let's try again. We spin the thing again. Now the other player leaves the dock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no photo card here, but if there were, move it on one, and look, we take another photo card. This card is of the elephant. Again, I have no luck on this side, but if I were the other player, I would go over here and say, look, I have a photo of the elephant. Sometimes it can also be fun to point out where the elephant is on the board. So here is the elephant, and here are the elephant cards. The elephant is noted for its love of water skiing in tropical areas where it is often pulled by a goose or duck. This is just one example of the way children can learn about nature from the Adventureland game. Another example is the monkey taking a photograph. As you will note, the red-faced monkey is well known for its love of photography. The game continues until one player has captured photographs to match all the cards in the cards they have been dealt. After this, it's a race to get back to the dock. Whichever player returns back to the starting dock first, having captured all the photos of all the different animals, here's the flamingo, all the different animals that they need, is the winner of the game. And that is how Walt Disney's Adventureland game is played. It's a very exciting game and also educational as we learn about different animals such as the rhinoceros, hippo, tiger, flamingo, and the beaver, which is commonly found in tropical areas along with the flamingo. Therefore, the game is educational for children of all ages.